Hello everyone. Welcome to Sona's Classroom. I hope you all are staying indoors and being safe. Ramadan Mubarak to all my viewers and my subscribers. Okay, today we are doing story writing. Last time we did story writing and used Cinderella as an example for a story writing prompt. And since Cinderella is one main character, so we had one example of one main character of story writing. Today we will be following another popular story, Three Little Pigs, and we are following Three Little Pigs because it has more than one main character. Obviously, all three pigs are main characters, so that we have an example of more than one character as well. Let's begin. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs who lived in a small house or a small cottage with their mother. One day, something happens to get the story started. This something is the mother cat, their mother. She asks them, "You three piggies are too big for my little house. Go out, build your own houses, and be careful, be safe from the big bad wolf." And so, what did your characters do next, and what did they hope might happen as a result? What did our characters do? Our characters, the first met a man with a lot of straws. He borrowed some straws from him and built a straw house. The second little piggy met a man with a lot of sticks. He borrowed the sticks from that man and built a stick house. And the third little piggy met a man with a lot of bricks and he built a brick house for himself. He borrowed the bricks from the man and he made a brick house for himself. What did they hope might happen as a result? What did they hope? When the three piggies built the straw house and brick house and the stick house, they hoped they would be safe from the big bad wolf. However, something goes wrong. What did go wrong? When the big bad wolf comes to the stick house, no, first he comes to the straw house. When he comes to the straw house, he wants to come inside. And when the first little piggy refuses him to come inside, the big bad wolf huffs and puffs and blows down the house. Same thing happens when he goes to the stick house. He huffs and puffs and blows down the house. So this is what. Then, how did your characters try to solve the problem? What did they do? They ran to the third piggy's house, the brick house. Eventually, did your characters succeed? Of course, we know they succeeded because the wolf couldn't huff and puff and blow down the brick house. This is how our characters succeed. In the end, there are many versions of this end. Puff and blow down the house, but couldn't blow it and runs away in the forest and is never to be seen back. And another version, which is the classic version and a bit intense, that the wolf goes in through the chimney and falls in the pot of hot boiling water that is kept by the three pigs, and he falls in it and the three little pigs put the lid. So he ends up dying. And the three little pigs live happily ever after in the brick house. Done. Story's finished. Alright. I hope you people understood how it is done with more than one characters, and these prompts, these help to write a story. Any story you want to like. You can write your own story using these prompts. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share my videos. And if you have any comments or any queries, please come back to me, contact me at my email address, sonasclassroom@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Goodbye.